Hello and welcome to Module 2. Congratulations for getting this far. Module 1 is pretty tough and actually the longest module in this path. Now you are ready to explore technologies that data engineers use every day. During this module, you will concentrate on. In Thread 1, you will learn SQL, which is basic and mandatory concept for every data engineer. This is the most important technology for data engineers. Then, in Thread 2, we will explore Python connectivity to different databases and Python libraries for working with data. And of course, a bit soft skills. Let's get started. SQL is the most important tool in data engineer's toolbox. Actually, you can't be a data engineer if you are not a master in SQL. This is the most popular and widely used database language. During Thread 1, you will learn everything you need to know about SQL. Also, you will deep dive in DBMS design and understand how databases are working. This knowledge is vital. There is a tons of technologies in market, so you have to know general approach to be able to choose the right technology for your specific use cases and cover all points that you need. As usual, we will pay some attention also so-called soft skills to improve your communication abilities and empathy. In Thread 2, we will cover two extremely important points. First, how to interact with database programmatically. You will learn SQL Alchemy, which is widely used by backend developers. We'll see how to connect to database using PsychoPG and how to connect all data with pandas. Next, you will learn about Python data libraries. These are technologies used by data engineers or data scientists to manipulate data within Python. Also, you will visualize some data. Be familiar with data science tasks as well, because data engineer is a primary person who provides data to data scientists. So in order to better cooperate with data scientists, you should know some data science as well. So with all this said, let's jump right into the description and start learning.